There are a lot of ways to earn money online. You can take surveys, do tasks, or even start a blog. However, you might not make much money if you only do one of these things. While this may sound like a daunting task, it's actually not as difficult as one might think. There are a number of websites and apps available that can help anyone start making money within a day. Do you want to earn money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to earn money online in just one day. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video and start earning. Paid surveys, first. Taking paid surveys is a simple internet side job you may perform to earn money quickly. Did you know that there are several websites out there that invite you to participate in surveys in exchange for payment? Even if it's not the most lucrative endeavor, since it's so simple and accessible, it's worth a try. Don't be concerned about the authenticity of this source of money. Paid surveys are entirely legal, and hundreds of companies employ them now. Independent freelance writing. You should absolutely pursue freelance writing if you have strong writing abilities and can swiftly pick up on a variety of themes in a short amount of time. You might earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words, however some are fewer than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you may look for freelance job. Simply registering and declaring your qualifications is all that is required. Some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. Post sponsored content. The definition of sponsored posts is quite obvious. In essence, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, their services and/or goods. You should discuss a product or a brand you enjoy, explain how you utilize it, and let your readers know how they may gain from it as well. The niche you write about, how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, who pays you, etc. are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s for each article, but if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. Consultation and coaching. Coaching is a fantastic method to make money online, provided you're an authority in a certain industry. If you initially put some effort into developing your brand online through your website, this typically works pretty effectively. People will start approaching you on their own once they start to trust you and understand that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. They'll want to know how you got to where you are and how they can use the same strategies for their own startups or well-established businesses. At first, you might feel inclined to offer advice for free, but as more people come to you, you'll be compelled to start charging for appointments. Google AdSense requires a website, but offers a daily income of $100. Google AdSense is a digital advertising platform created by Google for use by bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers who wish to monetize their content using Google's advertising. It's a relatively easy approach to make money online. After registering for the program, Google will provide you with an AdSense code, which you must copy and paste onto your website. The end of that. From that point on, Google does the majority of the labor, and you get compensated for each ad click. If you're looking for ways to earn money online, this video is a great resource. It provides detailed instructions on how to make money in a day. Be sure to comment and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.